Hi, John Dorer here, Case Manager at usavisanow.com, Office of Mark Taylor, ESQPC. The firm specializes in business immigration, H-1B and PERM and I-140 green card processing. Today we're going to talk about how to draft a PERM advertisement. Here we have listed the 7 elements of the PERM ad, and we'll go through them one by one. The first element is the job title. In this case, software engineer is the example. The second element is the work location. Here, the city and state are required, and if in this case it's a consulting position, so if the worker will be working at multiple client sites, the phrase "and client sites" is added to the company headquarters, city and state. The third element is the job duties. It's not necessary to put an exhaustive list, only enough to where the reader understands what the position is. So we have designed and developed custom applications using Java and J2EE. The fourth requirement is the degree requirement. Here, as an example, this is an EB2 position. We'll talk about that in another video. But the requirement here is a master's degree or equivalent in computer science. Or equivalent means or foreign equivalent. So what it means is that the employer will accept a U.S. master's degree or higher in computer science, or if the applicant has a foreign degree, it has to be shown that it's the equivalent to a U.S. master's degree in computer science. Trustboard, for example, is an evaluation agency that can provide that equivalency. The fifth element is the work experience requirement. In this case, there's none for our sample, but it could easily be 2 months, 2 years. There are other issues regarding the work experience requirement, but for this video, this example has none. The sixth element is other requirements. In this case, the applicant must be proficient in Java and J2EE. And the final element is where to send the resume, where the applicant should send the resume. The company name, the organization name is required. So that has to be in the ad. In this case, we are directing the applicant to mail the resume, which means that only resumes received by mail will be accepted. You could also put a fax number instead, or an email address. But the important point that the company name is required. So when the ad is ready for publication and when it's published in the required media, this is what it's going to look like. Job title, work location, job duties, followed by degree requirements, followed by a company name and where to send the resume. So this is a video on how to draft a PERM ad. For more information, check out our website, the PERM section, and we will follow up with additional videos. Thank you for watching.